Hello students, what God does? Fourth class English notes. Part 2. Say yes or no. Rewrite the sentences if you find them incorrect. First one. The minister told the king that even a shepherd boy could answer what God could do. Yes. Second one. The king was happy to hear that a shepherd boy could answer what God could do. Yes. Third one, the shepherd boy was afraid when the king asked him a question. No. Fourth one, the king was puzzled when the shepherd asked him if the king was asking the question as a student or as a teacher. Yes. Fifth one, the minister led the shepherd boy to the throne. No. Sixth one, God turns a shepherd boy into the emperor and an emperor into a shepherd. Yes. Box A has some words. Speak out words which are associated with a king's court and write them in box B. Box A, box B. In box A, palace, minister, student, teacher, soldier, servant, commander, queen, prince, emperor, courtier, shepherd. In box B, palace, minister, soldier, servant, commander, queen, prince, emperor, courtier, shepherd. Read and write the answer. First one, what did the minister tell the king? Second one, why was the king happy? Third one, was the shepherd boy afraid when the king asked him a question? Fourth one, who led the shepherd boy to the throne? Fifth one, what did the shepherd boy tell the king? First one, what did the minister tell the king? Answer, the minister tell the king that even a shepherd boy could answer this question. Second one, why was the king happy? Answer. The king was happy because he knew about God's miracles and God's grace. Third one. Was the shepherd boy afraid when the king asked him a question? Answer. No, he didn't afraid. Fourth one. Who led the shepherd boy to the throne? Answer. The emperor led the shepherd boy to the throne. Fifth one. What did the shepherd boy tell the king? Answer. The shepherd boy told, God turns a shepherd boy into an emperor and an emperor into a shepherd. Fun with words. Pictures of some professionals are given in A. Fill in columns B, C and D appropriately. Clues are given below for columns B and C. Traffic circle, camera, clay, scissors, wheel, studio, whistle, stethoscope, thread, tape, hospitals or clinics, potter's corner, tailor's shop. Professionals in column A, things they use in column B, where they work in column C, how they help us in column D. First one, things they use scissors, stethoscope, thread, where they work hospitals, clinics, how they help us a doctor treats patient. In second picture, tailor, things they use scissors, wheel, thread, tape, tailor shop, a tailor stitched our clothes. Third one, traffic inspector, thinks whistle, traffic circle, he works in. A traffic police suggests us where to go. Potman, thinks he use clay, wheel, he work at potter's corner. A potter make pots for us. Photographer, he use camera, he works at studio. A cameraman click beautiful photos. Listen and identify. Teacher says or reads out these pieces of dialogues. After each piece is read or said, identify the people and the place with which these dialogues are related or associated. One example is given. Example, sir, how much of salt should I add to this solution? Teacher, about 2 grams. These conversations are take place in a lab. Place is in a lab. People, a teacher and a student. First one, X. What's the scheduled time of arrival? Y. 6:30 a.m. It leaves the station at 6:40 a.m. These conversations are between a passenger and a ticket giver or place is railway station. Second one, A. How long have you been suffering? B. Since yesterday night. Place, hospital, people, doctor and patient. Third one, C. Hey, are you not tired yet? D. No, I have been tilling just for 20 minutes. Place. Fourth one, E. Where should I present the check? F. At counter 6. Place, bank, people, customer and bank employee. Fifth one, G. How much is this? H. It's rupees 20 a meter. It's very fragrant. Place, shop, people, customer and shopkeeper. Write well. Complete the following table. One is done for you. First one. The king asked the minister a question. The king did not ask the minister a question. Did the king ask the minister a question? Didn't the king ask the minister a question? Second one, the emperor was irritated by this response. The emperor was not irritated by this response. By this response? Did the emperor was irritated by this response? Was not the emperor irritated by this response? Third one, the minister brought a young shepherd to court. The minister did not brought a young shepherd to court. Did the minister brought a young shepherd to court? Didn't the minister brought a young shepherd to court? Fourth one, the emperor took the shepherd's cloak. The emperor did not took the shepherd's cloak. Did the emperor took the shepherd's cloak? Didn't the emperor took the shepherd's cloak? Fifth one, the minister looked at the emperor. The minister did not look at the emperor. Did the minister look at the emperor? Didn't the minister look at the emperor? Write more. Read and fill in the blanks with words from the box. Believe, fantastic, getting ready, preparing, project, student. Ragini is a student. This week she is working on a project. Also, she and her classmates are getting ready for a local art competition. Ragini wants to win. All her friends believe she can because she paints fantastic paintings. Ragini is a very special girl. She always works hard when she is preparing for a school activity. Read and write. Add er or to the doing words below to make new words. First one, fight, fighter, F-I-G-H-T-E-R, fighter. Dance, dancer. Speak, speaker. Ride, rider. Write, writer. Joke, joker. Sing, singer. Play, player.